Hello students, I welcome you all in another video of online learning media. This video is made on computer science subject of KVS and topic is code and decode. The images you can see are part of code and decode. In this images, all of you can see, different type puzzle are given such as Rubik's Cube, jigsaw puzzle, Sudoku, crossword puzzles, math puzzles, pattern guessing and so on. All these puzzle games are part of coding and decoding. Let's see what you will learn from this video. First topic is coding. Second topic is decoding. Third topic is puzzle test. Fourth topic is few examples of puzzle. What is coding? Coding is a process used to encrypt a word, a number in a particular code or pattern based on some set of rules. Hence coding is the process of sending data from one person to another person in such a way that only the sender and receiver can understand the meaning without letting anyone else know the meaning of it. What is decoding? Decoding is a process to decrypt the pattern into its original form from the given codes. What is puzzle? Puzzle is a problem that tests imagination, cleverness and skill of the solver. In another word, a puzzle is a game, problem, or toy that tests a person's knowledge, or puzzles are often created to be a form of entertainment, but they can also arise from serious mathematical or logical problems. In this, you can see different kind of puzzles games such as cube, Sudoku, jigsaw puzzle, crossword puzzles, math puzzles, rebus puzzle, pattern guessing, word search puzzles. All the images are part of code and decode. Number or symbol coding. Number coding and decoding, in which either the numerical code values are assigned to a word or alphabetical code letters are assigned to the numbers. Example for number or symbol coding decoding are, if chair is written as 1 2 3 4 5, rent is written as 5 6 7 8, and then rear is written as 5 6 3 5. Letter coding. Letter coding and decoding, in which the letter of words is replaced by certain other letters according to specific patterns or rules to form a code. Example for letter coding and decoding is, if brown is written as ZPMULA, then violet code will be the first letter B is coded as Z, means that it moves backward with one letter. Similarly, R is coded as P, O is coded as M, W is coded as U, and N is coded as L. So violet is coded as TGMJCR. Substitution coding. Substitution coding decoding, in which some particular words are assigned with certain substituted names. Example for substitution coding decoding is, if a dog is called cat, cat is called lion, lion is called rat, then which of these lives in a forest? The answer will be lion lives in the forest, but lion is called a rat, so rat lives in a forest is the answer. Symbol coding. In the symbol coding, we use the symbols like @ hash, dollar, percent, and underscore to represent words or letters. These codes are then used to determine a code for the words that are written down. Example for symbol coding is, if LEST is written as @ dollar, and hash, NEC is written as percent, then how candles is coded in the same way? There are few questions that we have designed for you. Please go through each and every question and solve it and share your answers through online mode. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked our video, then like it and share it with your friends. For more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to receive upcoming videos notification.